Welcome spring and greetings from the National Cherry Blossom Festival in Washington, D.C. Now the main events take place at the tidal basin, but I wanted to give you a heads up on a really beautiful cherry blossom cove that is right across from the Washington Monument. And you see all these pink tents set up. That's because it's spring in our nation's capital and the Kite Festival. And right across from this location, which makes it really easy to find, is this cove of cherry blossom trees. And once you go underneath, the serenity of spring will capture you. And you'll feel really happy. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Similar trees about this age are over at the tidal basin. I do recommend that you do walk over to the tidal basin, but there are cherry blossoms planted all throughout Washington, D.C. So when you can find one that resonates with you, or a cove like this, bring a blanket, take a minute, enjoy life, because next week they might not be here. It's a very important message. And I thank the people of Japan for sharing that tradition with us. All right, that's the walkthrough. You see, it's not really that big, but the impact of being under the blossoms is really amazing. And it's easy to get to because you can find the Washington Monument from everywhere because of its height. But speaking of the Washington Monument, while you're looking at it, notice that it has different colors. They stopped the production of it at some point, and so there is a discoloration that happens. I'll show that to you right here at the base, and then it picks up a darker hue. All right, that's a little history and spring celebration. Till next time, from ever beautiful Washington, D.C., National Cherry Blossom Festival.